Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please subscribe my channel for more latest and good updates. Best cryptos to buy right now. Let's start off by highlighting 3 cryptocurrency projects that have seen important developments recently, or have big events coming up in the near future. We update these highlighted coins on a weekly basis to reflect the latest developments in the world of crypto and blockchain. Before we dive into our list of the best cryptos to buy, we should note that choosing which crypto to buy is only the first step in your crypto investment journey. It's also important to choose the right platform to buy crypto, and you also have to decide how you will be storing your cryptocurrency. In our opinion, the best way to invest in crypto is to transfer your coins to a hardware wallet after you buy it on an exchange. The great starting point is to buy cryptocurrency on KuCoin and store it in a ledger hardware wallet. 1. XRP. XRP provides very fast and low-cost transfers, making it suitable for use cases like remittances. It uses neither proof of work nor proof of stake, but instead implements the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol. Every participant in the XRP network can choose a set of validators that they trust to behave honestly. XRP has been the center of attention in the cryptocurrency market recently thanks to a favorable development in the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. A U.S. judge said last week that Ripple's sales of XRP to cryptocurrency exchanges did not constitute a securities offering. While Ripple's legal battle with the securities regulator is not over, the latest development has been received very positively by the market. XRP displayed a huge price surge, which also catalyzed the altcoin markets as a whole. Several cryptocurrency exchanges have announced that they will be relisting XRP, including major players Coinbase and Kraken. At the time of writing, XRP is displaying a 7-day price change of plus 57%, which makes it the second best performer in the crypto top 100. The coin peaked at a price of just below $0.90, which was its highest price since March last year. Of course, XRP could very well be headed for a price correction after gaining so much in such a short period of time. However, it's undeniable that XRP is one of the most interesting crypto assets to follow at the moment, and its performance could very well dictate how the rest of the altcoin market fares. 2. Aave. Aave is one of the largest protocols in the entire decentralized finance ecosystem, and has around $6 billion worth of TVL total value locked at the time of writing. Aave has a governance token called Aave, which also functions as a source of liquidity in scenarios where the protocol is at a deficit. The Aave DAO has recently launched Go, a decentralized stablecoin that users can mint against collateral held in the Aave v3 lending protocol. Users who have assets deposited in Aave v3 can use them as collateral to mint Go, while still continuing to earn the yield generated by lending the assets. This makes borrowing Go significantly cheaper. Go is designed to track the US dollar, and is over-collateralized to help ensure stability. Initially, the minting capacity for Go is limited to $100 million, although this can be changed down the line through governance. The GHO stablecoin is governed through the Aave DAO, and token holders will be able to vote on its minting capacity, risk parameters, interest rates and more. The launch of Go could help strengthen Aave's position at the top of the DeFi sector. According to DeFi aggregator DeFi, Aave's TVL of $6 billion makes it the largest DeFi protocol besides liquid staking protocol Lido. 3. Polygon. The Polygon project's core mission is to create scalability solutions based on the Ethereum blockchain. As you probably know if you've ever used the Ethereum blockchain, transactions fees can get very high during periods of heightened demand. The Polygon project has unveiled a proposal to rebrand the Matic token to POL and introduce a series of tokenomics changes. The proposal calls POL a hyperproductive token that allows holders to serve as validators on multiple blockchains. Validators will benefit from protocol rewards, transaction fees, and potentially even additional rewards offered by the various chains in the Polygon ecosystem to provide extra incentives. In terms of tokenomics, POL emissions would be used to fund a community treasury that will be used to fund protocol development, protocol research, ecosystem grants and various incentives designed to boost the adoption of Polygon. If the proposal is accepted by the Polygon community, the process of upgrading from Matic to POL is expected to be straightforward. Matic holders will send their tokens to a smart contract, which will then return an equivalent amount of POL tokens. 4. Bitcoin. Bitcoin introduced the concept of a blockchain, and provides a fully decentralized digital currency that's extremely secure. It implements proof of work to make it very difficult to alter the history of transactions or double-spend coins. The network is secured by miners, who are rewarded with BTC coins for adding blocks to the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin has so far managed to hold on to the $30,000 price level, which was briefly breached on July 7. Currently, the most important narrative in the BTC market are the Bitcoin ETF exchange-traded fund applications filed by investment industry giants BlackRock and Fidelity. Moving forward, we'll likely see Bitcoin dictating the pace for the rest of the cryptocurrency market, which has seen a correction in the last 7 days. Some altcoins have dipped significantly, as 24 out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap have lost 10% or more in the last week. 5. Ethereum. One of the first use cases enabled by Ethereum that gained a lot of traction was the ability to issue custom tokens that could be transacted over the Ethereum blockchain. This feature was utilized by many projects to conduct fundraising through initial coin offerings (ICOs) and other types of token sales. We are quickly approaching the Shiba upgrade, which is scheduled for April 12. The highly anticipated upgrade will allow staked ETH tokens to be withdrawn by holders if they wish to do so. While there is a chance that the unlocking of staked ETH will bring increased selling pressure, investors don't seem to be too worried, according to the recent price action in the ETH market. With the Shiba upgrade being only a day away, ETH is posting a +5.8% 7-day price change, which is about in line with the performance of BTC in the same time period. Once Shiba goes live, it will be interesting to see if it will have a noticeable impact on the amount of staked ETH. While we could see a drop in staked ETH due to the unlock, the upgrade could also attract more risk-averse ETH holders who previously weren't comfortable with staking to begin staking their coins. 6. BNB. The token is used as the native asset of the BNB chain blockchain. BNB chain is a variant of Ethereum that offers significantly lower transaction fees to users, and it allows developers to easily deploy EVM-compatible decentralized applications. Previously known as Binance Coin, BNB has now gone through an extensive rebranding. As we've already mentioned above, BNB chain users will have a Layer 2 option thanks to the Optimum platform, which was first announced last week. The platform, which is currently in the testnet phase, is expected to handle more than 4,000 transactions per second while keeping transaction fees at a fraction of a cent. In addition, Binance has recently left the Dutch because it couldn't get the necessary regulatory approvals. The exchange has also been ordered by Belgian regulators to stop offering its services in the country. While Binance has actively tried to create distance between itself and BNB, it's still the coin's key backer, and any further negative news will most likely impact BNB. On the flip side, BNB could have a strong recovery if Binance navigates its current predicament successfully. 7. Uniswap. The Uniswap protocol is decentralized, and anyone can create liquidity pools for any token. This means that the newest crypto assets are often traded on Uniswap before they make their way on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. The Uniswap protocol recently a record daily trading volume at $11.84 billion. This was almost twice as much volume as the protocol's previous daily volume record. Uniswap hit its record as users rushed in to trade USDC, the major stablecoin that came under pressure over the weekend after the failure of Silicon Valley Bank. The reason why this failure was relevant to USDC is that Circle, a key issuer of the USDC stablecoin, disclosed that $3 billion out of the roughly total $40 billion in funds backing USDC are held at Silicon Valley Bank. This volume surge shows that the Uniswap protocol is a key piece of infrastructure for the crypto markets, and can successfully handle very large volumes even during periods of chaos in the market. In addition, the Uniswap project has recently also announced a non-custodial mobile wallet that supports the Ethereum mainnet as well as the Arbitrum and Optimism Layer 2 scalability platforms. 8. Cosmos. The Cosmos Hub and other blockchains in the Cosmos network are built using the Cosmos SDK framework. Blockchains launched on Cosmos benefit from a robust proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, fast transaction times about 7 seconds and low transaction costs about $0.01 per transaction. On March 15, the Cosmos network will receive its V9 Lambda upgrade, which will introduce replicated security (RS) to the network. This will allow blockchains in the Cosmos network to essentially lease security from the Cosmos Hub by allowing validators on Cosmos Hub to produce blocks for them. The upgrade is part of the broader concept of interchain security (ICS), which the Cosmos project is gradually rolling out. Replicated security will allow Cosmos-based projects to focus on their unique strengths instead of having to worry about their validators and security. Meanwhile, Atom stakers could see some extra yield since up to 25% of the fees collected by consumer chains will be going to Cosmos Hub stakers. At launch, only pre-approved blockchains in the Cosmos network will be able to use the replicated security feature. Eligible blockchains are selected through Cosmos governance. 9. GMX. The GMX ecosystem features two tokens, GMX and GLP. GMX is a utility and governance token which accrues 30% of the fees collected on the GMX exchange. Meanwhile, GLP is the platform's liquidity provider token, which accrues 70% of the fees collected on the exchange. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are under increased scrutiny after the collapse of FTX. In addition, the failure of many centralized crypto lending businesses has also negatively impacted the reputation of centralized crypto businesses more broadly. While centralized exchanges still reign supreme in terms of trading volume, an increasing number of crypto investors is looking for decentralized alternatives. The sector of decentralized crypto derivatives is still relatively new, which means that there could be a lot of upside for platforms such as GMX. That's the main reason why we featured GMX as one of the best new cryptocurrencies to buy. 10. Mina Protocol. The Mina Protocol's version of decentralized applications is called scapps. The smart contracts these applications are built with support zero-knowledge proofs, which can allow users to prove ownership of their data without disclosing the data itself to the party they're interacting with. Scapps can also source data from any website privately, providing easy access to real-world data instead of relying on complicated Oracle systems. Zero-knowledge technology is likely to become a very important trend in the crypto and blockchain space moving forward, and Mina Protocol could be positioned very well to take advantage of this. In addition, the lightweight design of the Mina blockchain makes it easier to participate in the network, which is especially relevant for mobile devices. If we're going to see widespread adoption of blockchain technology, it's most likely that a large number of people will be using blockchain through mobile devices. This could make Mina a candidate to become one of the next cryptocurrencies to explode. 11. Litecoin. Litecoin has a maximum coin supply of 84 million, which is 4 times larger than that of Bitcoin. Its targeted block time is 2.5 minutes, which is 4 times faster than Bitcoin's targeted block time. Just like Bitcoin, Litecoin also uses proof of work to reach consensus about the state of its ledger. While Bitcoin uses the SHA-256 hash function, Litecoin uses the script hash function. Litecoin has been a strong performer in the last month as traders are accumulating their LTC positions ahead of the upcoming Litecoin halving. LTC is up 16% in the last 30 days, and an even more impressive 25.5% over the last week. Currently, estimates are pointing to the beginning of August as the most likely timeframe for the Litecoin halving. More specifically, most estimates are pointing to either August 2nd or August 3rd. With firms like BlackRock filing to launch a Bitcoin ETF, the institutional investor narrative has been very strong in crypto as of late. This could also be one of the reasons why Lieutenant Colonel has been surging as of late, as it's one of the 4 cryptocurrencies listed on the EDX Markets exchange. EDX Markets is a cryptocurrency trading platform backed by financial industry heavyweights including Fidelity and Citadel Securities. 12. Shiba Inu. During the SHIB token launch, half of the supply was sent to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, who is not involved with the project in any way. The project framed this as a token burn. Buterin did eventually burn the vast majority of his SHIB holdings and sold the rest of his tokens to fund charitable donations. The Shibarium Layer 2 will cater to projects looking for a scalable platform to launch gaming and metaverse-related apps. Currently, the Shibarium platform is available as a testnet, which is dubbed PuppyNet. The PuppyNet testnet has been live since March this year. Notably, Shibarium is expected to include a mechanism in which SHIB tokens are burned with each transaction, which could contribute to the token becoming a more attractive asset to hold over the long term. As we approach the release of Shibarium, SHIB won't be the only interesting token to follow. It will also be worth keeping an eye on other tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as Bone and Leash. In fact, The BONE token has recently entered the cryptocurrency top 100 and reached a market capitalization of over $300 million. Thanks, take care.